Shoulder sideways, smack it in the air. Legs move it side to side, smack it in the air. Legs move it side to side, smack it in the air. Shoulder sideways, smack it in the air. Smack it in the air. Legs move it side to side, smack it in the air. Smack it in the air. Way your hands, I do, I put it in the air.
Hi guys, I'm back by myself with another review video. So today I will oh my gosh, I can't even speak. These braces don't allow me to speak. So, take two. Hi guys, I'm back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the hair that I have installed now. I was supposed to do this review when I first got the hair. However, life happened, work happened, a lot of things happened, and I was just tired. So I'm gonna do the review now. I'm gonna explain to you everything, how the process went, shipping, where I got the hair, everything that I could possibly think of. And if I've missed something out and you guys have questions, you can always, write it down below for me to answer, and I will answer you as quickly as possible. So first things first, the texture of the hair, as you could see, it's really soft. I didn't have to co-wash it, pre-wash it, which I usually do with if I get any bundles or anything, but I didn't have to do it with this because it came and it didn't have any smells, no nothing. Like I said, the texture is really soft. However, like the way shipping went, it was how do I say, shipping didn't take long, but however, I guess nobody was home, or however this is, FedEx doesn't come upstairs, or I'm not sure how FedEx works. So I pretty much blame FedEx for me not getting my package on time when I was supposed to. I had to end up going to pick up my package. So I'm gonna say, if you order this hair, be home, be present, hear the door, open the door. Just if you hear the bell, just pick it up. Because however, apparently I was getting ready for work and someone was downstairs, and I'm just like, I don't know who's ringing the bell at this time of morning, so I'm not gonna answer it. And my grandma didn't get up, so I was just like, maybe it's someone trying to get into the building. However, I got a text message from the person that was trying, selling me the hair. Was like, oh, well, you have this amount of days to go pick up your package from such and such, or else it'll be sent back. So that was just a ball of confusion. Shipping itself only took a week, like flat out a week. It didn't take that long, which I'm pretty surprised with, because where it came from, I thought it was gonna take a long time. So it did come from China, so that's why I'm saying I thought it was gonna take a long time to get to me, but it really didn't. What else can I say? I don't remember what length of the hair I got. I think I may have gotten 16 or 18 inches. Not pretty sure. However, it is true to length. I just wish the hair would have came a lot thicker. But I could work with this. It's better than the last review that you guys have seen. It's better than that hair. So I would recommend this to anybody. Only thing is, I would say, you might have to pluck it more, because it is, when you get it, you can see the lace, you can see right through it. But when I got my hair done, you barely see it. So it's like you need to really pluck it more, and you need to do the baby hairs a lot more. It did come with baby hairs, but my stylist, she made more, she cut off more baby hairs and stuff for me. So I was like, I really like it, and etc. What else, guys? What else? I'm not sure what else about the hair. Oh, it's not, if you guys are wondering what it is, it's not a frontal, it's not a, okay, so let's put it this way. It's not a lace closure, lace closure just here. It is actually a 360 lace frontal wig. So yes, guys, I'm wearing a lace frontal wig, and I'm loving it. It is the bomb. It is 100% human hair. I forgot to mention that. So I can wand it, curl it, whatever, etc. that I want to do to it. And all of that. Bleach it and stuff. So if I ever do, like, you know, bleach it, do a style to it, I will do that as well and install and upload like a video of me, like how the hair looks when it's curly or like when it's bleached or something. So I won't like leave that out. When I did get it, I opened it up and it came in this pretty box. Like, this is super cute. When I opened it, I was just like, oh, it comes in its own little box. I had a cap inside of the wig itself, but I'm not sure what I did with it, and I wasn't going to use it because I'm not sure how to use that weaving net. It wasn't like you put it on. It was just like a hole here and a hole here, and it was weaving net. So I was like, I don't really know how to use this. I'm not gonna use this. But on the back of it, it shows you like how to wash the hair and etc. And it tells you right here too that it is 100% virgin human hair. So that's all I have to say about the hair itself in general. It does, like, now I have no complaints, no cons about this hair. It's pretty nice, but I think like eventually I am gonna style it because it did come curly, but I kept like flatten it down in the box so that it stayed down, that it got flat excessively on like one side and one side's like super curly. So eventually I'll, you know, style it, and I don't know, I might get one of my friends to pluck it because I'm not really good at plucking hair. So if I'm satisfied with it like this, I'll keep it like this, but you know, I'll probably like style it up or something eventually. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, thoughts, please leave them down below for me to answer. Yeah, for me to answer questions, comments, anything down below. Anything you want to see about the hair, or you know, any like lingering thoughts that you have about the hair, just leave them down below. And please, like, you know, let me know what you guys think of the hair itself. And I think that's all I have to say about the hair in general. And I think that's it for the video. But however, before I go, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Leave a thumbs up if you like the video. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. And definitely leave comments down below. And also, share a video. Share the video. Share it to a friend, cousin, family, you know, aunt, uncle, sister, brother. Just share the video, guys. Just share it. Alright? And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. So, I did forget to mention what kind of glue she used. I've never heard of the glue she used, because usually I've been using, you know, Got To Be. But this glue, like lace glue that she used, is really good. Like, it's so good that if anybody was to not like me and they got into a fight with me and they snatched my hair, my whole scalp is gone. Like, that's how strong this lace glue is. I don't remember the name of it, but I did happen to catch a picture, so I will, you know, add that picture in with the video so you guys can see it, and I'll try to find a link to it, and I'll leave that down below as well. So yes.